Hello, this is Aaron, and today I'm unboxing a smartwatch I got from Wish. I had this for about a week, so I might do a review soon. But I bought it on Wish for $15. It was pretty cheap. I know have expectations low for something this cheap from Wish, but it wasn't too bad for a deal, so I ended up picking it up. Yeah, I had to rip off a label, but yeah, there's the box. The smartwatch came in not too long after, shipped pretty fast from Shenzhen, China. So let's take a look at the front of this box. You see you get a little bit of icons and stuff. It's basically all throughout the box designed to get. So this did come in some kind of plastic wrap, and it had a screen protector on it, but I ended up taking it off. I have it turned on right now. It came in this little cradle. Here we got a user manual. It's not the best translation. They also have a Chinese side. Then inside you get a little tiny micro USB cable, standard but very small. So let's look at the smartwatch. I believe it's a 1-inch screen. You got a 320 by 640 megapixel camera on the top. The screen's pretty bad. It's a WVGA processor, not processor, screen. You got a little speaker here, which is actually a little tinny but not too bad. Here you could get a micro USB port. Then we get this little adjustment knob, which is actually just a button. So then we got a little back cover. I don't know if these straps are removable. I haven't tried taking it off yet. By the way, this does have an SD card slot and a SIM card slot. However, if you have Cricket Wireless or AT&T, it is, however, unsupported. I learned that the hard way. Unless you use Bluetooth to call with. Speakers aren't the best. Let's take the battery out. Yeah, you see my 32 gig SD card I put in there. Doesn't come included. There's also the SIM card slot for you to put a SIM card in. So without further ado, let's turn this puppy on. What did I call the puppy? By the way, if you take out the battery, it resets the date and time. So let's turn it on. By the way, this uses a different mechanism. These little pins, they go in the holes like differently than a standard watch would. And it says smartwatch and phone. But the thing is, it is not Android. It's connected to my phone. I just gotta hope it remembers the time. Nope, it reset it. Here you get a dialer. I click the menu. Hold up, let me change the brightness. So I'm just gonna hurry and set up the time real quick since I have my iPod Touch 4th gen. So it's Thursday, May 3rd, 7:17 p.m. Settings, date and time. Set date, time. I have it set for New York because Pittsburgh ain't on there. So it is 0, 7, 0, 7, 17. I'm just gonna put 18. The keyboard's a little small. Sorry if you hear a dog barking in the background. It's not my dog. I'd like to think so. Just kidding. It's my dog. So, let's save that. Sometimes the time gets messed up on here. I don't know if it's water resistant. I forgot to add there's a micro USB port. So yeah, you get this weird home screen, battery indicator. Battery's not too good, but it works. And you always get these random screens showing up. Here's contacts, settings, menu. It's kind of like a flip phone interface. There's camera. There's my S4. There's some of the apps. I copied some of Apple's icons. Let's check out a photo. Yeah, look, the camera quality, not the best. Pulled up on a phone, it looks even worse. Here you got Chrome, which is not Chrome, it's just a cheap web browser. Facebook, Twitter, just links to a crappy browser. Some apps, and it claims I have WhatsApp, but it don't. That's basically it. It's not really Android, I can tell. But yeah, that's what you get for $15 on Wish. So if you want to buy a smartwatch on Wish, keep your expectations low. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you all next video. Goodbye.